You got another. Yeah. You got another song? Have interviews. You know what I mean? So people can get past the movie.
Yeah, exactly.
You know what I mean? So you could
and talk. And your same way, you know, going on.
Right,
you know,
so we can get past. That's why I asked you though, how did you feel about video now? You know, now that you're doing movies.
Okay.
I'm gonna talk about that on the way back when we come back next, right? Because I mean, you know, it's different than you do. I know for me, it's different doing just movies and music.
Oh yeah.
You know, and doing both. It's just like, you know, being a kid in the candy factory. It's like, you know, you have so many, right? You have so much to do, you know. Right. You have so much opportunity when you mix both of them together. Now that you've done your movies, I mean, you know, that's the question I'm gonna ask you on the air. You know, now that you've done your movies with the music, how do you feel about the messages that you put out, the response to the messages, the music?
Okay.
Response to the music.
I got something for you.
Okay, that's what I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna get ready to give you that.
I got something for you.
We're coming right now with that. We're coming right now. Yeah, that's the man called Ras Kidus. It's gonna be at Ashkenaz tomorrow night. Reggae with me, he said, come on tomorrow night, 9 o'clock to 2 a.m. at Ashkenaz. That's right, Ashkenaz. Everybody know what Ashkenaz is. If you don't, 1317 San Pablo Avenue, Berkeley, California. Go to the myspace.com and check out Ras Kidus. Ras Kidus, you doing movies and all this thing, man. You know me gonna come back and talk to you about the movies. Now you're doing all this film and movies and music, man. How did it feel?
Well, I don't want to make it fly to my head, you know.
How did you feel, man?
I just been a Ras here because I'm a Rasta Man first.
Bless your
so
heart.
All these other things come after. And a Jah who I seek first. And all the rest of things them come after.
But how did you, I mean, we were just talking about how somebody came up and misunderstood, not knowing, you know, this was just a character in one of your movies that you played in, right?
Yeah.
You know, having video and having an opportunity to just see yourself, you know, not only as a musician, because you know, you play a few instruments, right? So, be an actor with that. And having people come to you and talk to you about not just one, but several things. You know, sometimes, you know, some people have like 5 different questions when they ask you one, right? You know.
Sure.
How you dealing with some of that? You know, the pros and the cons. I mean, because you know, you guys come, like in Rude Boy, you come hard and wicked.
Right, but you know, as I said,
you speak about peace and you teach peace. So come on, let's talk about that.
It's complicated.
Okay, and let's talk about that complication.
It's just a little hack, you know. It's just an act, you know. Do what I say, what don't do like what I do in the movies.
In the movies.
In the movies, because in natural life, I'm not doing that.
Okay.
Because you know, if he was doing that in real life, he'd go out of jail.
What you say?
You know what I'm saying?
The man have you locked up.
Right. Because people like Clint Eastwood, look how he's bad on the screen.
Right.
And when you see him in the street, he's just an ordinary citizen.
Right.
So, you know, it's something like that.
Okay.
So don't like brand me like, say, well, oh man, he's a murderer. and things, you know what I'm saying? Just because I'm black? No, man, that's
and
bullshit.
playing a part.
Yeah, it's a form of entertainment.
Okay.
So just take it as that, my people.
Yes.
Saying?
What you say? It's a form of entertainment. That's
Yeah.
it. That's it. It's not your reality.
It's not a real reality, you know what I'm saying? It's a form of entertainment.
Bless your heart.
So it's like even the man on the battlefield firing him gun. Him ask God to forgive him strength to fire him gun.
Yes.
Imagine that. Imagine that, and I as a Rasta. I have to pray to just the same way.
Okay.
I'm in these movies and stuff. I still connected with Rastafari.
Okay.
I never left Rastafari go nowhere. I not gonna really say we're gonna go kiss the devil. You know what I'm saying? For being in movies.
Yes.
It's just it's a way of employment.
What you say? That's it.
Yeah, so
What you say?
it's just a little employment. So you know what I'm saying? And right now we're here working on the other movie. So
Okay.
if you'd like to be casted in the other movie, you know, we're coming up.
Okay.
You know, in the reggae ripoff.
Oh no.
Just give Ras Kidus a call, right? Because we're casting right now.
Is that right?
Yeah, we want all.
That's the name of the movie?
Yeah, reggae ripoff.
Ooh, stop it.
Yeah.
What inspired that movie now?
Well, you know, people coming to America try to pursue their music career.
Right.
And getting bent up and carried around and twisted up, you know what I'm saying? They have to be selling drugs or they have to be doing all kind of things.
Certainly.
Yeah, you know, to you know.
Right.
Yeah.
To make ends meet.
Right.
Yeah.
You know.
What you say?
So these so-called promoters in America, they just take your music and supply it all over America, and you don't get no money for it either.
Stop it.
Yeah. American system is tighter than any other system. As Tony says, in Europe and those places, people really respect the musician.
Right.
Even jazz musician from America.
Right.
They respect it in Europe, Holland, Belgium, and all them places. You know, you go over there, you can live easy, play music 4 or 5 nights a week, and that's all right, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Here in America, you have to have 2 jobs. Play music at night and have a day job.
What'd you say? And have a day job.
Yeah, and plus I'm filming right now too.
Right.
I still have to have a day job. You know what I'm saying? It's
hard.
tough. It's
Yes,
tough.
it is hard. I know.
It's
I know.
tough.
Being a filmmaker myself, I just, you know, I mean, you guys was just beginning to do your movies when I had picked up my camera, you know, and doing the TV show. That was what, 6, 7 years ago, right?
Right.
So it's like, you know, and here we meet again, you know, and you, what's this, your 5th movie?
Yeah,
fourth or fifth movie.
Yeah.
So, I mean, having these, as a filmmaker, as a actor, as a, you know, person who look for talent, local talent, like you said, you keep your head, you know, on your top of your head. You know, your head ain't walking through the, you know, when you walk through the room. Right, you can't bump your head all the time. But, you know, I don't see that passion or energy or vibe around you. What keeps you balanced besides Rastafari living in the truth of the work that you do, just like with this benefit tomorrow? What really keeps you balanced?
Well, man, I tell you the truth.
I mean, because there's a big
nothing
attack
else.
right now on black men, especially Rasta, with all the hate messages and the communication around that, and you know, what is one love and you practice hate on the other hand? I mean, what is your picture on all that?
Well, we are dealing with one love from them time there until now. Love, oneness would varies away sometimes, but I asked Jah to really make it come forward, and it really come forward because right now I'm here standing before you. I can't say that more than say, well, Jah Rastafari is my strong post. It's my firm post because I have nothing else to think about, like anything greater than myself or greater than somebody else. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I think of the greatest thing who sustained man's life on earth, right?
Okay.
That's the contact Rastafari people on earth is trying to contact with.
Okay.
You know? Because we want to maintain the liberty of our ancestors and ourselves.
Right.
who soon become
Okay.
ancestry status, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
So it's like, you know, I hang on in a Rastafari from them time when anybody know me until now. You know? And as to be a Rasta man is not an easy road.
What you say?
Yeah, it's not especially here in America. You can't plant no food nowhere. You know, you have license to plant some corn and plant some bananas and whatever, you know. Because the land is so expensive over here. So, you know, things like that.
Right.
We're not let go Rastafari on. And I tell my brothers and sisters, don't let go. Hang on in the same way. Hang on in there. Hang on in there, brothers and sisters. See? We're in the Rasta business here. And the reggae. But hang on in there. Nah, give up. See it? Yeah, man, this is Ras Kidus once again. Here in the Bay Area, San Francisco. Talking on the KPOO 89.5 FM. So that's it, I know. Cha! Rastafari. Sister T. Thank you for having me.
Oh, bless your heart, man. Bless your heart. Thank you again for coming and staying and, like I said, participate with the Harvest of Peace and coming and doing what you do. And like I said, I'm going to be in the East Bay tomorrow. I know I'm going to got to come by there and check y'all out, see what y'all doing. And say hello to Sister Stephanie. And you know, because I know this business is hard. And like you said, you can't never give up. I don't care how hard it get. You know, it is hard. We still can't give up.
Yeah, we ain't going to give up. Just stop. Like, for example, it's a journey, right? You're going to stop in the middle of the journey.
What you say,
and set up your hut right here.
What do you say? Set that?
We have to keep on moving, man.
What you say? Keep it moving?
Yeah. Just like Bob Marley said, they got to keep on moving, you know? Yeah, man.
We look forward to coming and checking you out tomorrow night. I look forward to it.
Yes, sister.
Yes,
I expect
I'll
you.
be there. Yes,
yes,
I'll
man.
be
Give
there.
thanks one more time.
Yes, yes. Ras Kidus tomorrow night at Ashkenaz, 1317 San Pablo Avenue, Berkeley, California. That's right, Berkeley, California. Go to the MySpace /Ras Kidus. You hear me? You hear me? If you want to go see the real Rasta movement. The real movement around people
as you know, we have the styles and things,
teaching and being unified with the love thing. That's right. It's going to happen tomorrow night at Ashkenaz. That's right. We got a whole soldier, a whole platoon, a whole arsenal full of Rastas coming to bring you the Rasta business.
Straight. Yes, you know. That's strong, sister.
Yes, we're going to see you tomorrow, man. We're going to see you tomorrow. Y'all keep it locked right here, KPOO San Francisco, 89.5.
That's right.